Report don tok say Iran nuclear program really suffer well for di recent attack wey fit take years to recover, and Israel don arrest one young man wey dem accuse say e dey work for Iran. Na small for today tori be dat, and na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here di way you sabi am. Oya make we enter di gist proper. New report from US intelligence don tok say Iran nuclear program don take serious hit wey go hold dem back for years after US attack dia nuclear site. Before now, one early report wey leak bin tok say di attack no work. Pipo believe say dat leak na trap to push President Donald Trump go back into war, but Trump no dey interested to start another fight. In fact, e dey act like say e no even send nuclear talk with Iran again. As far as e dey concerned, di tin don scatter. Talks between US and Iran go soon start next week, but wahala fit still show. Trump main negotiator Steve Witkoff still dey repeat say America no go shift from dia stand zero uranium enrichment. Dat one na condition wey Israel add sharp sharp to make Iran no gree. If dat condition still dey, pipo wey wan war fit use am as excuse to start another wahala again. One former US State Department man, Alan Ayre, don tok say Trump dey rush go dey shout say Iran nuclear program don finish, but e no get clear proof to back am. For interview, Ayre, wey dey work with Middle East Institute now, tok say di Israel ceasefire no go last. If US and Iran start to talk, Israel fit launch fresh attack again. E say Iran no go gree to Donald Trump kind strong-head demand wey be like say dem wan force dem surrender. According to am, nuclear peace deal no be something wey person dey rush. E dey take years, no be just few months. I also warn say Iran fit use nuclear power as new way to protect themselves after US-Israel strike. One 22-year-old student wey im name na Bashar Hassan Qasim Musa from Deir al-Assad for northern Israel don dey face indictment as dem accuse am say e dey do job for Iranian intelligence. According to reports, Shin Bet and police say dem arrest am earlier dis month after e drop road spikes for major road inside Be'er Sheva and try target one public figure. Shin Bet never still tok who di target be, but dem believe say Musa dey take orders from Iran. After Trump pressure help to stop the fight between Israel and Iran, people don begin ask if e fit also force Prime Minister Netanyahu to end the war for Gaza. Myrav Zunzin, one senior analyst from International Crisis Group, tell reporters say if Trump really wan stop the Gaza war, e fit do am. But for now, she say Trump just dey allow Israel do anything dem like. US still dey supply dem weapon and no dey hold dem accountable. She tok say unless Trump get wetin go affect im own direct interest, e no go interfere for di Gaza situation. For now, e just dey give Israel full freedom. Even though Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu gain small support from pipo after di Iran attack, analyst Rami Khouri from American University of Beirut say e no mean say Netanyahu fit just ignore im cabinet hardliners wey dey press am to continue heavy military wahala for Gaza. Khouri tok say even with di boost from Iran matter, Netanyahu still dey walk on tightrope because many of the hawks like Finance Minister Bezalel Smotrich dey push make Israel go full force to punish Hamas and rescue hostages. Khouri still add say despite di noise, Israel never really achieve any major war goal, no be for Gaza, no be for West Bank, and not even for Iran. UN Human Rights Office for Palestine don accuse Israeli authorities say dem dey fast-track plan to move plenty Palestinians comot from their homes for West Bank, including East Jerusalem. According to UN, Israeli civil administration don give order make dem reject all building and planning requests from Palestinians for Masafa Yatta, say na army training ground dem wan use the area for. UN tok say since some months now, Israel don increase demolition of Palestinian houses, arrest people anyhow, beat human rights defenders and block road movement just to push Palestinians comot for their land. Whereas Israeli settlers wey no dey face eviction, dem dey attack and disturb Palestinians every day, even old people, women and pikin, to make dem run leave the area. At least 1,200 Palestinians fit soon face dis forceful relocation wey UN say na war crime and possibly crime against humanity. Israel National Security Minister Itamar Ben-Gvir don tok again say make dem stop every humanitarian aid wey dey enter Gaza. According to am, say aid dey enter na complete disgrace. The far-right minister tok for post wey e drop for X say e bin warn dem before and na only am vote against aid 1.5 months ago because e believe say na the aid dey help Hamas survive. Ben-Gvir claim say Hamas dey control food and goods wey dey enter Gaza and e believe say if dem stop the aid completely, victory go come faster. Now, e say e go tell Prime Minister make dem vote again for cabinet meeting on whether aid go still enter Gaza or not. US Senator Bernie Sanders don praise New York City mayoral candidate Zohran Mamdani, say the guy win im primary because e stand gidigba for wetin e believe, even for hot topic like Palestine. For im write-up, Sanders tok say Mamdani no run from the serious matter wey dey worry plenty Americans, like US support for Netanyahu wey dey lead Israeli government wey dey wipe Gaza and starve children. Sanders tok say Mamdani sabi say anti-Semitism na evil thing, but to talk against wicked policies no mean say person hate Jews. If Mamdani win for November, e go be the first Muslim American wey go lead New York, the biggest and richest city for US. North Korea don open new beach resort for Wonsam Kama wey dey East Coast and dem hope say e go help bring more tourists and money enter the country. According to state media, e go open for local people from 1st July, 6 years after e suppose don ready, but nobody sabi when foreign tourists go fit enter. Na for Wonsam Kim Jong-un grow up and the place dey full with big men wey get private villas. Kim don try turn the area to tourist area before. Kim don try turn the area to tourist zone before. Na missile testing ground dem dey do there. The new resort stretch reach 4-kilometer beach and dem claim say e fit carry 20,000 people. E get hotels, shops, water parks and restaurants, but reports say nobody fit confirm whether na true. North Korea dey under plenty international sanctions because of their nuclear wahala. The country poor well as many money dey go into military and monuments wey dey praise Kim and im family. Some experts believe say the new resort na for North Korea to make small foreign money, but for now, na mainly Russian and Chinese people dey enter. Tourism stop since COVID-19 for 2020 and dem just start to open small for 2023. Some foreign tourists from UK, Germany, France and Australia enter for February 2024, but North Korea sharply blocked the road again after weeks without explanation. Tour experts say the Wonsam beach no go really catch Western tourists like that. Dem believe say people still prefer see Pyongyang, the DMS and old communist sites, but some people still dey curious about to visit unique places like North Korea. For one big warehouse for East Thailand, Titipa Shoda Shashaun and her ministry team dey search through old phones, circuit boards and computer scraps. Dem dey check am because the company no get license to handle electronic e-waste. She tok say many unlicensed recycling companies don dey open for rural areas and dem dey process dis e-waste illegally and dey pollute the environment. Even though Thailand banned e-waste imports for 2020, wahala still dey grow. Before, China dey collect most of the world's e-waste, but after dem ban am for 2018, plenty of that rubbish begin land for Thailand. Environmental group Earth Thailand tok say e-waste don increase from 3,000 tons to over 60,000 tons per year since then. Most of the waste come from US and Europe, where people dey change phones and electronics steady. Some of the e-waste dey enter Thailand with fake label like used electronics for resale, but when e reach, dem go break am and burn am to collect copper, gold and other valuable materials. This melting process dey release dangerous chemicals like lead and mercury enter the air and ground wey dey bad for health but good for profit. Now Thailand dey battle serious pollution from the gadgets wey people dump. And the last one for today, news media don discover say some ticket touts for US dey hire people from places like Pakistan and India to help them buy plenty tickets for big concerts like Taylor Swift and Oasis. The plan na to buy quick then resell for online at higher price. One undercover reporter meet one tout boss for Pakistan wey brag say im people secure over 300 Coldplay and many Oasis tickets. Dem call these people ticket pullers. Dem use illegal software and fake names to beat queue online. For Taylor Swift show, the tout buy hundreds of tickets and fans wey dey wait for hours online still no fit get. Later, tickets dey appear for resale sites like Viagogo for as high as £6,000, about 40 times the original price. The UK government dey plan new law to stop this kind thing, but many people say e no go strong enough, whereas fans still dey suffer and pay plenty money because genuine tickets no dey reach their hand. Na the tori be that for today. And na Rebecca Guffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.